Hi all, it is a very exciting day today to have all the students from our primary school to join us for a day of science experience. I'm just having a young student in school having the fun and excitement of enjoying science just for the sake of science in biology, physics and chemistry is absolutely fantastic. The kids had a lovely time, they learned a lot and most importantly, I can see in their eyes are looking forward to come here to join us in the next couple of years to become scientists of the future.
An amazing science day. The children did all sorts of things related with physics, biology and chemistry. Highlight of the day, the mega lab with all sorts of experiments, explosions.
My favourite thing about Heron Hall was that we had to smash the pastas and it was really fun.
My favourite thing about Heron Hall is that when they do science, they did elephant toothpaste and it exploded, so we saw it.
Really enjoyed Heron Hall when we watched the experiments.